Helps eliminate post-shave irritation and chaffing. Greatly reduces odor and wetness. Perfect for use after shaving, bathing, at the gym, or whenever your skin needs refreshing. Made from the finest premium cornstarch and baking soda. Talc-free. Skin type: normal. After years of being frustrated while taking care of her skin, Rachel Jacobs decided to do something about it. After almost giving up, she stumbled upon a new approach to shaving and skincare. Her search was over. Brazilian Bear Luxury Shave and Skincare was indeed born. Keeps skin cool, dry, and odor-free. Helps prevent chaffing and irritation. Developed for sensitive skin. Is 100% talc-free. Never test on animals. Made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Great everyday powder. Talc-free powder. I can't smell any fragrance. I haven't, stuck my nose to the bottle. Great to put in your undergarments to keep the moisture and chafing away. I definitely will be buying more.